is Father Jonathan Meyer, and welcome to Alive as we prepare for the upcoming Sunday readings. This is Ordinary Time, week 13. Our gospel passage is Mark chapter 5, 21 through 43. Mark chapter 5, 21 through 43. Have you ever laid hands on someone? I mean that. The power of just taking your hands, laying on someone, and just saying a prayer. Now, we can get all these conversations about the charismatic renewal and, laying on the hands and speaking in tongues and slaying in the spirit. But I don't want to get in that big conversation. I just want to encourage you, the next time that someone asks for a prayer, to actually be incarnational. We just got out of one of the worst times in the history of humanity where people are terrified of each other, and they're terrified of people actually being human, which means we have bodies and we actually enter into a relationship with other people. Just take your hand, put it on their shoulder, and just say a prayer. For those of you who are parents, just take your hand, put it on your child, say a prayer. For those of you who are married, just take a hand, put it on your spouse, say a prayer. There's power in the incarnational experience. There's power in us being in relationship with other. Don't ever forget that. Don't ever forget that. Discussion questions for Mark chapter 5, 21 through 43. These are down below in our link on YouTube. You can also find them at allsaintscatholic.net. What's today's basic message or story? What's the good news in it? What's a word or a phrase that struck your heart or stuck out to you? Who do you know in your life that's in need of healing? Have you ever had the experience of someone laying hands on you? What are ways that you can reach out and touch Jesus? What are real ways we can bring Jesus to those who are sick? How do today's passages challenge you? What's one way for you to act on this weekend's readings? Thanks for joining us for Alive while we unpack and reflect upon the upcoming Sunday readings. Join us always at allsaintscatholic.net. God bless you and have a blessed 13th Sunday of Ordinary Time. Peace.